Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make your own custom hair clip. And the cool thing about a lot of these projects that I've done recently, like we did the custom mug and things like that, a lot of you guys have took these tutorials and created a side hustle for yourself. So I'm super excited to show you guys how to make these custom hair clips. I really have fun creating this, and I'm super excited to show you step by step how to create your own. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here's all the items that I have. You do not need every single item here in this video, but I have my resin mold here. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and grab that. And the molds also come with the clips. So these are the clips that you're going to need to pretty much adhere to the back of your design. And then I have some glitter. I got a couple from Michael's and I got this one here from Dollar Tree. So you get that only for $1. I even got this glitter from Dollar Tree and some glitter from Michael's as well. So I'm going to take a little mini cup and my stir stick and my resin, you guys. I am going to leave the link for this amazing cast resin that I'm using in the bottom of the description of this video. So as far as mixing it, I do 1-to-1 ratio. So whatever I do for part A, I do it for part B, and I'm able to eyeball it. But honestly, if you are not used to using resin, I suggest that you measure it. Measure out how much you're using and then mix after that. So I have my resin mold here, and I decided I wanted to put glitter in my resin. I did one clear one first, but then the second hair clip I put glitter in it, and I used the glitter from Dollar Tree. So you can just mix it together and just pour it into your resin mold. And you start off with a little. That's how I like to start, just with a little bit, and just kind of let it spread out on its own. And if you want to add like any beads or anything to it, then you can do that. And you just want to repeat the process. Just make sure that you're spreading a little bit and just really have fun with it. I decided for this one, I wanted to add some beads. So you could just take your stir stick and just kind of move things around while it's still fresh on the mold, and just let it sit and let it dry for a good 24 hours, you guys. Give it about 24 hours and it should be complete. So after the 24 hours, I'm just going to take it out of the mold, and you can see that it's kind of hard in here. So it's going to be really, really easy to remove from the mold too, by the way. And you see how nice and pretty it looks, and it's so nice and clean and easy to remove. And once again, make sure you guys go ahead and check that link down below in the description if you want these resin molds. So now I'm going to take my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to put some glue around on the clip. And this is going to be the backing to my hair clip. And then I'm just going to place my design on top of the clip. You just let that dry. Make sure you're pressing and applying pressure. But once you do that, you just repeat the process, and that's pretty much it, you guys. That's all you have to do, and it's super easy. And if you guys want to sell these or gift these to other people, then you can do that. Once again, the tutorials I've been putting out lately, you can definitely have another side hustle for yourself, or even create one if you're not already making money doing crafting and things like that. So once again, all links are down below in the description for every product that I use in this video. See you next week for a new video, you guys. Bye.